Average of AC value. Average of AC wave. First, let us see AC wave. Sine wave. Time. These voltage or current. Voltage or current taken on the y-axis, time taken on the x-axis. Voltage or current taken on the y-axis, time taken on the x-axis. 0, t by 2, t. From 0 to 0, 0 to 0, positive maximum peak, negative maximum peak. Positive maximum peak, negative maximum peak. 0 to 0, we have to consider as a one cycle. It is a one cycle. Next, coming to the definition of the average value. Definition of the average value. The average of all instantaneous. The average of all instantaneous values of an alternating voltage and currents. The average of all instantaneous values of an alternating currents and voltages over one complete cycle. One complete cycle, that means 0 to 0, is called average value. This is the definition of the average value of the AC voltage or AC current. The average or mean value of an AC is over one complete cycle always 0. That means for one complete cycle of AC, the average or mean value is 0, because there are alternatively equal and opposite half cycles. That means the positive half cycle is equals to the negative half cycle. So that's why average or mean value of an AC is always equals to the 0 in one complete cycle. The work is done by both positive and negative cycle, and hence the average value is determined without considering the signs. That means positive and negative signs. So that's why only positive half cycle is considered to determine the average value of alternating quantities. That means alternating quantities means either voltage or current. The average value of AC obtained by summing the value of current at several equal intervals during the half cycle and dividing the number of intervals. Let AC voltage B. AC voltage B. V is equals to Vm sin omega t. Vm sin omega t. This is the AC voltage formula. V is equals to Vm sin omega t, where Vm is the maximum voltage. That means peak voltage. Omega t angular velocity. Omega angular velocity. Next, coming to the derivation of the AC voltage. Derivation of AC voltage. Derivation of the average AC voltage. Derivation of average AC voltage. It is given by V average is equals to integral of 0 to T by 2. Integral of 0 to V dt divided by integral of 0 to T by 2 1 dt. V average is equals to integral of 0 to T by 2 V dt divided by integral of 0 to T by 2 1 dt. We know what is the formula for V? V is equals to Vm sin omega t. V is equals to Vm sin omega t. Substitute. V average is equals to 0 to T by 2. V means what? Vm sin omega t. Vm sin omega t divided by integral of 0 to T by 2 1 into dt. 1 dt. Next, this is equals to, here Vm is the constant. Vm is the constant. So, you put outside of the integration Vm into integral of 0 to T by 2 sin omega t dt divided by integral of 0 to T by 2 1 dt. We know the formula. Integral of sin omega t dt is equals to minus cos omega t by omega. Minus cos omega t by omega. And integral of 1 dt is equals to t. Integral of 1 dt is equals to t. By using these two formulas, we can derive the V average. That is equals to Vm integral of sin omega t. What is the integral of sin omega t? Minus cos omega t by omega. So, minus cos omega t by omega. What are the limits for this? 0 and t by 2. 0 t by 2 divided by integral of 1 dt means t. Apply the limits 0 t by 2. We apply the limits upper limit minus lower limit. So, Vm into minus cos omega, upper limit is t by 2. So, first substitute t by 2. Here omega is also constant, so that's why we put outside Vm by omega minus cos omega into t by 2 minus upper limit minus lower limit. Again minus cos omega What is the t value now? Lower limit is 0. So we substitute 0 divided by upper limit. T replaced by the upper limit t by 2 minus lower limit is the 0. T by 2 minus 0 becomes t by 2. So that Vm divided by omega into this denominator t by 2, writing here omega into t by 2, omega into t by 2 minus cos omega t by 2, minus into minus plus cos 0, minus into minus plus cos 0. We know omega is equals to 2 pi by t. Omega is equals to 2 pi by t. We replace here omega is equals to 2 pi by t. That is equals to Vm by omega means what? 2 pi by t into t by 2 minus cos again omega 2 pi by t by 2 plus cos 0 plus cos 0. Here t get cancel. 2 ones are cancel. Here also t ones are 2 ones get cancel. Next, from this what you get? That is equals to Vm by pi minus cos pi plus cos 0. That is equals to Vm by pi. What is the value of cos pi? Cos pi is equals to cos 180 degrees. That is equals to minus 1. So minus of minus 1 plus again cos 0 is equals to 1. Cos 180 is equals to minus 1. Cos 0 degrees is equals to 1. That is equals to Vm by pi minus of minus plus 1 that is equals to 2 Vm by pi. 1 plus 1 2 into Vm by pi. What it is? V average. So therefore average or mean value of AC voltage is given by V average is equals to 2 Vm by pi. 2 Vm by pi. We substitute the values 2 Vm by pi means 3.14. Then we get value for this 0.637. 2 by 3.14 is 0.637 times of Vm. That means maximum voltage or peak voltage. Therefore, V average is equals to 0.637 times of peak voltage. That means maximum voltage. This is the derivation of the average voltage of AC. We get V average is equals to 2 Vm by pi, and this value is 0.637 times of peak voltage.